They said they wanted us to come and look at their facility to do a walkthrough. So now what we can do is we can go in and set up an appointment. If you click the calendar and you click add, now you can set up an appointment. Now this calendar automatically went here. One thing you need to pay attention to, and there's also a document in the Google Drive that you got access to that shows you how to do this the right way. Okay. So the one thing you want to make sure you get correct is the calendar that you're putting this on. Right. So you can, if you go to calendar and you click the down caret, if you click on it, the rest of the calendars will pop up. So you can scroll all the way down. And I'm going to try to see if I can figure out how to make this kind of default to the calendar that I want it on so that there's no kind of room for error. So what you would want to do is like for appointments and stuff like that, you want to go to, well, let's not do that one. Let's do this one. It'll make it easier if you go to squeaky clean appointment calendar, right? And like I said, it's going to be in there. So it's either going to be this calendar